When you can find a dog treat that actually keeps your dog engaged, is good for them, and they get excited every time you give it to them, doesn't it feel like you've struck gold? I'm Marie with WTI, and this is Emmy. And whether it's for positive training or just a fun treat, she really thinks these beef cheek rolls from Dog Chits are better than gold. And so do her pals Piper and Coco. What surprised me the most is not just how much Emmy loves these, but how long they last. She's been chewing on this one off and on for a few weeks, and we like that the texture gives her something satisfying to work on and keeps her engaged. As a picky pup mom, I love that they're made from just one ingredient, beef cheek, which means they're high in protein. And interesting enough, they do not have a strong smell, which is great if there's anyone in your house with a sensitive nose. Now, it did take Emmy a little time to figure out how to chew it at first with her smaller mouth, but that did not last long. She absolutely loves it. And seeing her this happy just makes our day. And that's our point of view.